Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. First, carefully unbox your new watch and locate the included charging cable. Connect the charger to a power source, then place your watch on the magnetic charging pad. Allow it to charge for at least 20 minutes before proceeding. Once sufficiently charged, press and hold the top right button until the Samsung logo appears. This ensures your watch has enough power for the initial setup process. Next, you will need to pair your watch with your smartphone. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. If you do not have it, download it from your app store. Ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled in your settings menu. Open the Wearable app, select Start, and follow the on-screen prompts. Your watch will display a code to confirm the pairing. Match this code on both devices to establish the connection. Once paired, the app will guide you through granting necessary permissions for core functions. These permissions are vital for features like fitness tracking and notifications to work correctly. Take a moment to review your privacy settings, deciding what data you wish to share. Then, personalize your watch by choosing a watch face that suits your style. You can explore many options directly within the Wearable app. For optimal performance, connect your watch to a stable Wi-Fi network. Navigate to the watch settings, tap Connections, then Wi-Fi, and select your preferred network. You will also be prompted to add your Samsung account for cloud backups and app purchases. Furthermore, linking your Google account enables access to services like Google Assistant and the Play Store directly from your wrist. These steps enhance your watch's full functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.